September skies are buzzing with innovation as drones take flight, revolutionizing industries and reshaping our world from above. Hi viewers, my name is Sasha and I have got some great news rolling in from the month of September. News from the government sector. The first ever drone exhibition and display, Bharat Drone Shakti 2023, was inaugurated by India's Defence Minister at the Hindon Air Force Station, Uttar Pradesh. This event, jointly organized by Indian Air Force and the Drone Federation of India, showcases over 75 drone startups from across India displaying both military and civil drones. Kudos to Aries Solution Private Limited on securing DGCA India type certification for their small class drone, the remarkable AWARNESS X3. The Quality Council of India collaborated with ASSOCHAM to increase awareness on compliance and documentation requirements for SUAS, which was Gazette notified by Government of India for type certification of drones. Now some news from defense sector. New Space Research and Technology secured a contract worth about 2.5 billion rupees to supply 130 tethered UAVs that will be procured by the Indian Army. DRONEACHARYA Aerial Innovations has announced the launch of a new heavy lift high altitude long range drone called Bhujang as India's first super high altitude multi-rotor multi-role drone. JOHNNNETTE Technologies has successfully carried out a flight demonstration of its cutting-edge JM1 combat and JF2 tactical drones in a remote defense unit. General Atomics Aeronautical Systems is awarded a contract to develop DARPA'S concept for disruptive air combat operations through demonstration of an air-to-air weapons capable air vehicle. Marking a noteworthy stride in the realm of Indian defense technology, GRENE Robotics introduced INDRAJAAL, India's inaugural AI-driven anti-drone system. Now rolling in from the agri sector. IDEAFORGE clinched the coveted SIDM Champion Award in the Technology and Product Innovation category during STEAM North Tech Symposium 2023 hosted at IIT Jammu. SYNGENTA India initiates a special awareness for sustainable agriculture drive with 100 drones across Punjab and Haryana. These drones are being used to apply Syngenta's cutting-edge crop protection solutions. To analyze the quality and efficiency of work being done under Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act, the central government has suggested daily gatherings of photos and videos through drone surveillance. BHARATROHAN Airborne Innovations partners with KOSHER Climate India to boost sustainable paddy farming to bolster sustainable paddy farming practices. Well, next is news of collaboration and funding. IOTECH World Aviation and PIX4D collaboratively orchestrated the India's largest workshop for crop health monitoring using drones. ATV, a France-based company, has partnered with URBANMATRIX technologies to address the frost problem by harnessing cutting-edge UAV solutions. PDRL and Multiplex Drone has fostered a dynamic partnership to elevate expertise on AEROMEGH platform. TECHEAGLE Innovations partnered with AIIMS Jodhpur to enable the delivery of emergency and essential healthcare items to the tribal population in the Sirohi district of Rajasthan using its hybrid eVTOL drone Vertiplane X3. Where science meets magic. IG Drones and Airtel 5G collaborated together to provide fast and precise data to anywhere and any place from remote areas to tough terrains. INDRONES has signed a MOU with Government Polytech Mumbai and inaugurated a world-class lab for drone innovation and technology development at Bandra, Mumbai. Some random news from the Indian drone industry. The IITD Innovation and Incubation Center inaugurated the Advanced Drone Innovation Lab equipped with the state-of-the-art tools and resources specifically tailored to support startups in the drone industry. SCANDRON India elevated drone operations by launching the Command and Control Center in Bangalore. That's all viewers. To get more update, follow our Drone Helpline Facebook and LinkedIn page. The link is provided in the description box below. You can also provide us with your views, ideas and feedback. Thanks for watching. Do like our video. Do not forget to share and subscribe to our Drone Helpline YouTube channel.